Hi viewers, vaishipon here. In this short tutorial, I will show you how you can get PayPal API client ID and secret key from your PayPal account for dropshipping and e-commerce website. And for this procedure, you need a business PayPal account. You have to log into your business PayPal account and you have to click on this option, all tools, all tools, and you will get here this option, integrate PayPal. You have to click here and here you will get this option, API credentials. Request API credentials and grant API permission to third parties. I am clicking here, open. You have to click here and here you will get this option, PayPal API through a shopping cart provider, pre-built payment solution. If you are using or plan to use a third party platform like Magento or Shopify for shopping carts and online stores where the PayPal payment processor is built in. If you are using this platform like Magento, Shopify, you can get your API from here. REST API integration. Get REST API credentials for text and live transactions with apps you create on the PayPal developer site for your checkout, subscription, invoicing and payouts needs. We need this option. If we are doing e-commerce business or if we are doing dropshipping business, we have to create API from this option. And there are another option, custom checkout experience. If you need this type of API, you can collect from here. And there is another option, if you need this type of API, PayPal API, you can collect from here. Okay, for dropshipping and e-commerce business, you have to collect PayPal API from this option, REST API integration. Okay, I am clicking here, manage REST API apps and credentials. I am clicking here. You have to click here. If you are here for the first time, you will get this interface, access REST API credentials for text and live transactions of apps created on PayPal developer site. Here you will get a note, to create or delete an app, go to PayPal developer experience. PayPal developer experience, I am clicking here and here you will get these options, my apps and credentials, REST API apps. We need this one and there is another one, and for this procedure you have to click here, create app. I am clicking here. Here you have to give a app name. Suppose I am giving app name for my website, mycpatraining.com. I am giving this name, my CPA training, copy and paste. Now we have to click here, create app. I am clicking here, create app, and done. This is my app name and this is client ID and this is secret key. Just you have to do some settings, sandbox app settings. You have to choose your option of what you need from here and you have to click on save button. And for dropshipping and e-commerce business, just you have to copy the client ID and you have to go to your website payment method area and paste your client ID on client ID option, and you have to copy secret key from your PayPal account, this area, and you have to go to your dropshipping or e-commerce website. You have to go to dropshipping or e-commerce payment method option and you have to paste secret key, this secret key on your website secret key area. Now I think we know how we can get PayPal client ID and secret key from our PayPal account. If you think this tutorial is helpful for you and my tutorials are helpful for you, please subscribe my channel, like and share with your friends. Thank you.